Volvo manufactured the 1800 sports car between 1961 and 1972. The car was used in the English TV series The Saint, starring Roger Moore, who went on to play James Bond. A 1964 1800 currently holds the world mileage record, now approaching 3 million miles. I drove a 1971 1800 back in the 70s as my daily driver. I chose the car over all others because of its classic lines and durability. My son Steve also loved the car, and I gave it to him on his 18th birthday. The car was sold many years ago, but we retained the personalized license plate WMCOX. A couple of years ago, I gave my son Steve a model 1800 for his birthday, and he's currently restoring a 1964. Recently, my wife Helen and I decided we needed a second car, and as the family CFO, she authorized the purchase of an 1800 if I could find one in good condition. I shopped all over the country and finally found one manufactured in 1972 in excellent condition with only 33,000 original miles. Brent Garrick, the current owner, had lovingly taken care of it for 13 years and had driven it less than 3,000 miles. He had installed new Superlight rims, Michelin tires, sway bars, and an Alpine sound system. The car looked great. However, at one point it had been badly repainted. The interior door panel was torn and the leather seats were cracked. Helen, the CFO, reluctantly authorized a paint job and new interior. We removed the seats, the interior paneling, the front and rear glass, and turned it over to the S&W garage for 5 weeks while Andy and his crew took the body down to bare metal and brought it back out to the original light blue metallic color. Helen had been calling the car the other woman, and when she saw the paint job, she named her Jezebel, the painted woman, or Jezzy for short. Took the car over to the S&L glass for Doug to replace the glass and the door moldings. The next stop was Francisco's Upholstery, where he installed the new gold interior and matching leather seats. Then on to the Pro Window tinting shop for tinting the side and back windows. There was a slight elevation in the passenger side hood, which was fixed by Steve at Fred Guy's. And finally, I installed new carpeting in the trunk. Now, she's ready to travel.